Hi, welcome. I'm Lori from Chalet Homes, and today I'm going to give you a quick little tour of our 1,600 square foot chalet kit. Come on in. If you happen to come see us, this is one of the homes that you're going to take a tour of, and you'll get to see up close and personal. So one of the first things that people notice when they walk through the door is this gorgeous ceiling. It's shiplap and it's all oak. The shiplap is above the rafters and it's connected to the ridge beam. So a highlight of this room in any log cabin, really, because everybody loves a fireplace, is this fireplace. We don't sell fireplaces, but I just wanted to point it out to you because it is something that most log cabins have, and most people that purchase a log cabin want a fireplace in their home. So let's look at the kitchen, because we all know that the kitchen is the gathering space of any home, and it holds true with log homes. This kitchen is a good size. It's functional. There's plenty of room for everybody to gather in here and create some really fun memories. So now we have the master bedroom. This is an extremely large bedroom. It's really pretty. Everyone complains about log cabins being dark. You can see that this room is not dark at all. It's very well lit, it's bright, it's cheerful, and it's very spacious. There's a lot of room for couples and their dogs and whatever else you want to do in this room. Okay, so let's go upstairs. One thing you're going to notice with these stairs is that they are a timber frame stair. The treads are a true 2-inch. The railings are included, the spindles are included, the treads, the stringers, all that's included in our kits. That's not in a lot of kits that you get from different manufacturers. We're kind of proud of our timber frame stairs. We think they're really cool and awesome. Another thing is this wall behind me. You'll notice that it is not real log, it's log siding, and you probably didn't notice it, as a matter of fact. It's hard to tell the difference. It goes through the same process, it's finished in the same way. It just saves a lot of weight on the home, on the foundation, and it's a lot easier to install when you get to the high spots of the home. Okay, we've made it to the top of the stairs, and we are in the loft space. And this is a little multifunctional area that can be used for whatever you would like to use it for. It's pretty cool. It looks out over the living room. You can see out the windows, you can see the fireplace, you can see what's going on downstairs. So now we're in the second bedroom. We're upstairs. This is a large bedroom. This room could easily be made into 2 bedrooms, and there's a full bath up here. One thing to point out is this hip wall on the back wall. It raises the roof line to make this room larger and much more functional. So come with me now, and we're gonna go outside and check out what's going on the outside of the house. Okay, so now we're outside, and I'd like to show you a little bit about our log walls. This is a typical log wall from Chalet Homes. You'll notice that there's chinking in between each log. This water seals it and seals it against air, and it makes it really, really well insulated against the weather. You'll also notice we have button press corners. All of our homes have this, and you'll probably see some of these little cracks in the logs. That is totally normal. The logs are gonna crack. That is called checking. If the cracks are pointing downwards, you don't need to worry about them. If they point upwards where they may catch water, then you're probably gonna wanna seal those. Okay, so while we're outside, let me talk about the porches a little bit. Our porches are included. The flooring is not included. That needs to be CCA. We're not able to make CCA lumber. But these gorgeous shiplap ceilings, the rafters, the ridge beams, the porch post, should you have a need for railings and stairs, all of that would be included in our kit. And it's really a highlight of the kit that all of our homes have porches. Well, thanks for visiting. I'm glad you took the time out of your day to do this little walkthrough with me. I enjoyed showing you some of the highlights of our 1,600 square foot chalet kit. This is a home that you would see if you come visit us. We hope you do. Just give us a call and check out our website, oakcabins.com, for many more kits and all different styles and sizes.